I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up my Ledger Nano S Plus. Connect the device to your computer with the USB-C cable and wait for the welcome screen. Choose a secure PIN using digits you can remember, but others cannot guess. Write down the 24-word recovery phrase on the provided card and store it somewhere safe offline. Do not photograph or store the phrase digitally, and double-check each word. Download Ledger Live from the official Ledger site and install it on your computer or phone. Open the app and select Get Started, then choose Ledger Nano S Plus as your device. Use the app to verify your device firmware and follow prompts to create an account for each cryptocurrency you plan to manage. Only install apps from the Ledger catalog and avoid third-party downloads to keep private keys secure. Always confirm the address on your Ledger screen before sending or receiving funds to prevent scams. Practice sending a small test amount first to verify everything works and the address matches. Enable passphrase protection for additional security if you understand how it changes recovery and device behavior. Keep firmware updated, back up your recovery phrase offline, and never share your PIN or recovery words with anyone, including support claiming to need them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.